In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Cloud free tier. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Google Cloud account. If you don't have an account yet, create one and complete the initial setup. Next, open the Google Cloud Console and create a new project or select an existing one. Before using any services, review which products are included in the free tier and understand their monthly usage limits. Now, start using eligible services such as virtual machines, cloud storage, Cloud Run, or other products that are available under the free tier. Make sure to choose configurations that qualify for free usage whenever possible. After that, monitor your usage regularly. Open the billing section in the Google Cloud Console to track your consumption and confirm that you're staying within the free tier limits. Next, set up a budget and billing alerts. This helps you receive notifications before your usage exceeds the free allowance, reducing the risk of unexpected charges. Finally, continue building and testing your projects while keeping an eye on your resource usage. As long as your services remain within the free tier limits, you can explore Google Cloud without additional costs. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Google Cloud free tier. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab.